Hi, I'm Dr. Pat Webster, a member of the Unity Center of Peace in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. And I want to talk to you about C Week. I went to my first C Week 2 years ago, shortly after I had become a member of UCP. And in order to do that, I had to take a one-day orientation to Unity. I was so thirsty for more. I've been to now 2 C Weeks. The first one was in person in the beautiful woods outside of our center. And last year, because of COVID, we met on Zoom, as we will be doing this year. The great thing about meeting on Zoom is that it doesn't require travel. It doesn't require getting a motel room. So it's a great bargain. And we can do it in the comfort of our own home. And we still get the bonus that I got the first year, that we all got when we met in person, that we got last year as well, that we got to meet up with and connect with Unity people from all over, and some of those friendships and communications have continued. What I love about the teaching on C Week is that it's great intellectual understanding of Unity principles and history and metaphysics. And also that the teachers find ways to invite us to grow deeply inside personally, to deepen our spiritual connection with the divine of each of us. So, if you want an opportunity, if this calls to you to learn more interesting things about Unity, as well as deepen and grow spiritually and meet other Unity people from near and far, please take advantage of this wonderful opportunity.